Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today we are going to be opening my ipsyglambagplus for the month of April 2022. And hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband Aaron.
Salutations.
He helps me unbox things, unbag things. And on my channel, I love doing anything makeup related, whether it is neutral, whether it is colorful, whether it is drugstore, indie, or high-end, and I love doing subscription boxes, and I love doing Ipsy, Boxy Charm, other indie brands, and so on and so forth. And also I am agoraphobic, so I do talk about that and other mental health issues. If you are into any of that, or say you're into all of that, then I would love it if you would hit subscribe and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified every time that I upload a video. So, if you are interested in seeing what I got for this ipsyglambagplus, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, welcome back. Thank you to everybody who has clicked on this video and has decided to spend some time with us. Right, Aaron? We thank you greatly. Thank you so much. So, for the month of April, this is the bag. It is blue with some daisies on it.
It's got flowers on it.
And it is kind of a different material. A little bit of kind of like raincoat feeling sort of texture. I think this would make a good makeup bag, I think. So let's take all the products out and get the card out. Oops. And let's see. The theme this month is Keep Growing. April's Glam bag is made with recycled fabric. Okay. Spring is here, and just like you, the earth has come alive. Take this month to plant big ideas, nourish your skin, and live a little greener because it's your season to bloom. Okay, alright, and it doesn't have any information
I'm ready to bloom in
about the materials, about the items, but we have Aaron's phone here to tell us about everything. Okay, let's go over the items that Ipsy chose for me. This bag is about...
In their infinite wisdom.
In this bag, you get 5 items. You get to choose 3 of the items, and... yeah, I think this they chose for me. It is the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. What does it say about this? And what is the retail value?
It is $35 retail value. Face wash. The heroes in this gel cleanser, prebiotics and postbiotics. They help the good bacteria on your skin thrive, a must for a complexion that's balanced, soothed, and hydrated. Founded by cosmetic dermatology visionary Dr. Frederick Brandt. Bad bacteria, it burns them and casts them into the abyss.
Okay, it smells clean, I guess.
Oh, and the bag is recycled plastic. That's why it feels like that.
Okay. pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. I don't know what chlorophyll does to your face exactly. I mean, we're not plants here.
Makes you photosynthesize.
Okay.
Your face will now convert sunlight into energy.
Okay, if you say so.
I don't know, I'm just guessing.
What did it say that it picked? Go back and see what it picked for me. What else it picked for me? What's the second thing on there?
House Laboratories Le Riot Lip Gloss in Venus.
Okay. I've never had anything from House Labs before. Okay, in Venus. I guess this is
$18. Lip gloss.
Okay,
Full
so
size. Created by Lady Gaga herself. This hydrating lip gloss makes a serious statement whether you wear it alone or layered over your favorite lip color. Why, you can wear it by itself or you can wear it over lipstick. It's vegan and cruelty free.
I'm not wearing much on my lips.
It makes a serious statement. Are you ready to make that serious statement? I think you're ready. Are you ready?
Wow, so
Yeah. Does it look like a glossy coat of gel color?
I like this color.
Alright then.
Here is a swatch. I like it.
Why do they call it the doe foot applicator? Is that what doe's feet are like?
I don't know.
Did they make it out of doe's feet?
No.
I guess it wouldn't be cruelty free then, would it? Or vegan?
Yeah, I really like this. Okay, what's next?
Sonage Skincare Sea Shield Smart Serum.
Okay, I must have picked
I don't know
this.
I don't know how you say those the A with the 2 dots over it. That's just my guess.
Okay. I will always pick
Sonage.
a vitamin C serum.
$48. Full size, 15 milliliters. The hero ingredient in this serum, vitamin C.
Of course.
It's the gold standard for fading, prevented hyperpigmentation, and protecting skin from free radical damage too. Pat onto clean, damp skin and then follow with moisturizer. It's vegan. It's cruelty free. It's all natural.
Let's see here. French origin.
You just squeeze some oranges on your face.
Non-toxic.
I guess that would be acidy though.
It's French origin, but it's American made.
Oh.
Cruelty free. Spa grade.
Wow. Well then.
I want to smell it.
Can you use it safely at home? Smell like lemons? I guess vitamin C comes in a lot of stuff.
Oh, it does. I mean, it smells like oranges.
I called it. Well, not really, but I was close. Some sort of citrus fruit. I mean, I guess they could make it smell like kale, but I don't even know what kale smells like. Doesn't kale have vitamin C in it? I don't even care.
Okay, what is next?
What is next? Sandbar Beauty, the Mirage Palette. You picked this.
I picked this.
You picked this.
Okay, it is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be.
You picked this. Don't forget that.
It is a little...
Don't go blaming anybody else because you picked this.
It is a little palette that is very neutral.
I should put that same thing on the product as a sticker. You picked this. Cool.
Cute little shades there.
I like the hexagonal pans there. Yep.
I like it. I saw some other people getting this palette, but it had different colors in it.
But they picked that.
And they picked it, yeah.
They picked that.
Yeah, a nice little neutral
I
palette.
forgot to click on the details.
Oh yeah, what does it say about it?
I'm guessing it has some sort of hero ingredient. Oh, no, it doesn't. But these blush toned eyeshadows are absolutely stunning. See, you didn't know that before, but now you know that they're stunning.
Okay.
You can use them, one with matte shades all over your lids as the base. Are you taking notes? And then tap one of the shimmer shades in your inner corners for a hint of sparkle.
Okay. Alright. And finally,
It's vegan, cruelty-free, and made without parabens. Parabens are the worst. I hate
They must be.
parabens. I don't know what they are, but I hate them. Anyway, on we go. Brushes.
I was having a rough day today.
MOTD.
Makeup of the day. I've got these
In a blush
5
blending
brushes.
eye brush set.
How much are they?
$58.
That is unreal. These are not $58.
$58 each. So they're $190.
They make up these prices.
5-count full size. But listen to all it does. Whether you want to create a dramatic eye look or something softer, so you can use them for more than one kind of look. Yeah. This pro quality brush set has got you covered. Not only are these pearly pink brushes gorgeous, they're practical. Each handle is clearly labeled, so you know exactly what it does and how to use it.
Okay, we've got a taper contour crease brush. We have a
Come through contour.
come through contour. I don't know what that means. We have a
Standout sweep.
what?
This is not helpful.
We have a smoky detailer.
Well, that's a little more concrete.
Miss Shady Lady. What is that supposed to mean?
I don't know, but apparently it'd make me a shady lady. MOTD Cosmetics support a beginner's journey on becoming a makeup artist and inspire you to step outside your comfort zone. Each handle is clearly, read this again. Each handle is clearly labeled so you know exactly what it does and how to use it. It does nothing. It does nothing for you. It's only confusion.
Okay, I will put down the MSRP of this bag down here. Yeah, I like this bag. I like the products I picked out, and I like this right here. Okay, now for the interesting news. Have y'all heard the rumors? Did y'all get an email from Ipsy saying that they are,
They're in a period of transition.
yeah, that they are going to
Change
be
is coming.
merging with BoxyCharm and making BoxyCharm basically their ipsyglambagplus. Okay, I didn't get the email or anything like that, so what you're hearing from me is just
Ipsy Glam Bagsy.
secondhand knowledge. So if you have any more
Box Charmsy bag.
If you have any more knowledge, leave it down below, because I was just watching True Want's video, and she didn't know have any more information than I have, because she was just getting information from somebody that sent her something. And so I don't have anything concrete to say, but
we'll update you immediately as events warrant.
yeah, if I get any information,
We'll come right on a live stream. We'll tell you right then.
yeah, if I get any information, I'll let you know. But, yeah, from what I know is that Ipsy is just swallowing BoxyCharm, basically.
BoxyCharm is being assimilated. Resistance is futile.
So,
Well, now you will all be Ipsy. It is all Ipsy. Ipsy is all. All is Ipsy. Ipsy is one.
which kind of makes me a little sad, because I like getting Ipsy separate from BoxyCharm. So, but like I said, it's all rumors right now. So, if you got an email or anything like that, let me know down below. If you have any concrete information, let me know down below.
It's going to be a big bag, and inside that bag is a bunch of medium-sized boxes. And each of those boxes is a tiny bag.
So,
Boxy bag box.
Yeah, I got the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. I got the Lady Gaga Lip Gloss in Venus. I got the Sonage Sea Shield Smart Serum Vitamin C Serum. I got the Sandbar Mirage eyeshadow palette and the overly expensive MOTD
They
brush
tell you
set.
everything. They channel the wisdom of makeup artists of the past directly into you.
And this is probably one of my favorite bags that we've gotten, I think. So, I'll put all this in here. Okay, let me know what you think down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. We will be doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy tomorrow. And, yeah. Okay, leave a comment down below, like I said. And we hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you are not, we hope something comes along and kickstart your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day today. Leave a comment. Tell us what the weather's like where you are. And yeah, if you're having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. And just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. And we will see you in another video tomorrow. And just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.